Let's be honest. Laundry day feels like a never-ending war. The overflowing baskets, the mountain of clothes, the tangled socks, and the confusing laundry symbols that nobody actually understands. By the time you wash, dry, fold, and put everything away, you're drained. And just when you think you've conquered it, bam! Another pile appears the very next day. But what if laundry day didn't have to feel like punishment? What if it could be faster, easier, and maybe even satisfying? Today, I'll share 5 powerful hacks that will completely change the way you approach laundry. But before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more life-changing tips that make your daily routines simple and stress-free. Hack number 1. The power of pre-sorting. The biggest headache on laundry day is sorting clothes. Lights, darks, towels, delicates. You waste precious time making piles on the floor before even starting. Here's the hack. Use multiple hampers. Keep one for lights, one for darks, and one for towels or bedding. Teach everyone in your home to toss their clothes into the right basket from the start. By laundry day, your clothes are already pre-sorted. You just pick up a basket, dump it in the machine, and you're done. No more crawling on the floor separating socks and shirts. It's all ready for you. Hack number 2. Use vinegar and baking soda. We all want our clothes to smell fresh, but store-bought softeners and detergents often leave residue or artificial scents. The trick? White vinegar and baking soda. Add half a cup of vinegar during the rinse cycle. It naturally softens fabrics, removes odors, and prevents lint from sticking. For extra freshness, sprinkle baking soda in the wash. It balances pH levels and keeps clothes smelling crisp. This hack is especially helpful for sweaty gym clothes, musty towels, or anything that never seems to lose its smell. Simple, cheap, and powerful. Hack number 3. Mesh bags for small items. How many socks have you lost in your life? Probably dozens. And what about bras, delicate tops, or baby clothes that get ruined in the wash? The solution: mesh laundry bags. Place socks, underwear, and delicates inside before tossing them in the machine. They come out clean, safe, and, most importantly, together. No more missing socks, no more ruined lace, no more tangled straps, just neat, organized, and stress-free laundry. Hack number 4. Cut drying time in half. Drying can feel like forever, especially with bulky towels or blankets. But here's a genius trick. Throw a clean, dry towel into the dryer with your wet clothes. That towel absorbs excess moisture, cutting drying time significantly. Not only does this save electricity, but it also keeps your clothes from overheating or shrinking. And if you want clothes to come out softer and less wrinkled, toss in a few dryer balls. They bounce around, separating fabrics and leaving everything fluffy and static-free. Hack number 5. The folding game changer. We all know the truth. Folding is the part everyone dreads. Washing and drying feel easy compared to the mountain of clothes that needs folding. That's why many people just let clean clothes sit in a basket for days. But here's the hack. Fold as soon as the dryer beeps. Clothes are still warm, soft, and wrinkle-free, making folding effortless. To make it even faster, try the 2-second shirt fold method. You can easily learn it online. Better yet, turn folding into an activity. Listen to music, watch your favorite show, or make it a family challenge. Bonus hack: never iron again. Hate ironing? You're not alone. Instead of dragging out the ironing board, try this trick. Toss wrinkled clothes into the dryer with a damp towel or a few ice cubes. Run it for 10 minutes, and the steam smooths out wrinkles like magic. It's not just faster, it saves you from the mental torture of ironing one shirt for 20 minutes. Laundry does not have to be miserable. At the end of the day, laundry will always be a part of life, but it doesn't have to control your time or energy. Remember, small hacks create big changes, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart, emotional, and curiosity-driven tips that make everyday life easier. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free Top 10 Cleaning Products list and Emergency Speed Cleaning Checklist. As a bonus, You'll also get access to our free community